All right, meanwhile, Home Minister Amit Shah tears into Mamata Banerjee government. Big Mullah Madrasa Mafia jibe at Mamata Banerjee. She mocks the TMC's Ma Mati Manush slogan. In fact, Home Minister Amit Shah says, and I quote, Mamata said she will make the government of Ma Mati Manush, but made government of Mullah Madrasa and Mafia. These are words of Amit Shah as he slams the TMC government in West Bengal. A big clash there as Amit Shah speaking on a stage, tearing into Mamata government, mocking TMC's Ma Mati Manush slogan. Home Minister Amit Shah says, Mamata Banerjee has said she will give the governance of Ma Mati Manush, but has made government of Mullah Madrasa and Mafia instead. Listen in.
माटी और मानूस की बात कर आई थी और सरकार बन गई मुल्लाओं की, मदरसों की और माफियाओं की सरकार। मां माटी मानूस की सरकार अगर वापिस लाना है तो केवल और केवल नरेंद्र मोदी ला सकते हैं।
All right, let me cut across to Suryagni Roy joining us live for more on that. Suryagni, over to you. Home Minister Amit Shah saying that Mamata Banerjee's Ma Mati Manush slogan has turned around into Mullah Madrasa and Mafia governance in West Bengal. Give us the context, what he said, where he said it.
Well, Nabila, this is not the first time that any senior BJP leader or, for example, Amit Shah has taken on Mamata Banerjee's administration over appeasement. Time and again, BJP leaders have taken on Mamata Banerjee and the Trinamool Congress, alleging that the state government and Mamata Banerjee herself, she does a lot of minority appeasement for her vote bank. So this is something that once again Amit Shah, when he was speaking today just a while back at Bardhaman, ahead of the Lok Sabha in the election campaigning, he once again reiterated the BJP stand that the Trinamool Congress and Mamata Banerjee, to seek more of votes, they conduct minority appeasement. And this is what the Home Minister said. We just heard him. The Trinamool hasn't reacted so far. Mamata Banerjee and Abhishek Banerjee both have their rallies in a short while from now, respectively, rather. So, we might expect some, retaliation from them on what Union Home Minister Amit Shah has said on appeasement by the Trinamool Congress government over here. Back to you, Nabila.
All right, Suryagni, thanks very much.